Litres.
This is another installation for Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt. Installation for Port Harcourt, River State. 250 liters capacity for Port Harcourt. Here are the tubes. Then you have the storage tank. This is Okoye. They call me Benny, solar water heater. My brother replicated services, Litres. Tubes for the solar water heater en route Port Harcourt, River State. 250 liters capacity installation en route Port Harcourt, River State. Don't forget that my name is Ebenezer Okoye. We are Litres, and we are good at what we do. Call us on the following numbers displayed on your screen to give you a quote as regards the solar water heater. SOLWAH solar water heater, one of the best you can ever have. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. Call me Ebenezer Solar. Thank you. And this is the type pipe we use for installation. Painted. SOLWAH solar water heater, your best plug.